Hey guys, Miss Steele here. So, your Father's Day craft, it because of it being outdoor fun, is supposed to look like a night sky with with constellation spelling out that. So, constellation is a grouping of stars that makes a shape or makes something, whether it's a fish or a zodiac sign, or there's all different ones, the Big Dipper, Little Dipper. So, that's what we are going to do. You are going to take your black paper, mine right here. Your stars, your guys's are the yellow and white ones, and they are the stickers. I, however, gave all of them away to you guys, so I am using my little confetti stars that I found, and then a white crayon. So I'm going to write Dad really big across my paper. Let's think D, A, D. So we know D is D, A, D. D-A-D. There you go. So I wrote Dad across it, and now I'm going to take my stars and stick them on. And you can stick them on the word. You can stick them around it like it's in the night sky. You can, whatever. It's how you want to make it look for your dad. So, and I'm going over to my dad's no, it's Friday. I'm going over to my dad's Sunday afternoon. So I'll have to take it and give it to him and see what he thinks. Tell him I made this in VESY. So I'm gluing all my stars on. Your guys's are the sticker kind, so you'll just peel off the back and stick them on. And I'm putting them all over. I did do them on Dad. And then you can also write, like it went along with it, that like you're out of this galaxy, because like stars, up in the night sky, or out of this world, or that he is a superstar, any of that. So I have now decorated you guys should not need a glue stick though, because your stars are the sticker kind. So I have decorated mine with all my stars, and it says Dad. So I will have to take it over to my dad when I go over there. Can't really, there it goes, on Sunday and see what he thinks. So there is your Father's Day craft. I hope they enjoy, because you guys' dads are out of this world. So enjoy, have so much fun. I'll see you guys.